Today I'm gonna be refreshing my hair color so we can get that brightness back. This is IGK's Permanent Color Kit in the shade Copper Cola. This is my secret to getting brighter and just that ginger copper color that I love so much right at home. For the first step, we're gonna use the Color Block Barrier Gel so we don't stain our roots. For our second step, we're gonna use a rich cream pigment and we're gonna mix it in with the Activating Nourishing Color Developer. So you're gonna wanna split your hair in 4 so you get the best application possible. So first we're gonna start at our roots and then go from the bottom. And this applicator is gonna be very easy to use so you could separate each section and just get in the roots better. And then you're just gonna keep dragging all of that product all the way down till it completely saturates. And afterwards, we're gonna use a comb so we get all that product evenly in our hair. The great thing about this formula, it is formulated with squalene, orchid extract, and bamboo extract to hydrate and strengthen your hair while it works. Whether you have super fine or thick strands, even chemically treated hair, this formula is gonna be perfect for all hair types. My hair didn't look this soft and shiny before, and now look how amazing it looks. I love it.